Hey little yogis, today, I'm going to do yoga with my best friend. You should try this with your best friend as well. Let's get started. Stand side by side. Place your inside arms around each other's shoulders. And lift your outside foot to your inner leg while balancing together. This is fun, right? Make sure to take breaks in between. Sit with your backs touching, cross your legs, and gently twist in opposite directions while supporting each other. Face each other, hold hands, press the soles of your feet together, and lift your legs to create a balanced V. Kneel facing each other, fold forward, and stretch your arms toward one another while breathing deeply. Sit facing each other with legs extended, hold hands, and gently lean back one at a time to deepen the stretch. Stand side by side in Warrior 2, matching your stance and arm position while focusing on synchronized breathing. Stand back to back lower, into a squat together, and support one another as you hold the position. Stand facing each other, fold forearms and lean back gently while opening through the chest. Face each other in plank position and tap opposite hands while maintaining balance and core strength. Kneel facing each other, hold hands, and gently lean backward into a supported heart-opening stretch. Sit facing one another with the soles of your feet together and hold hands while folding forward softly. Sit cross-legged side by side and reach overhead in the same direction for a synchronized stretch. Stand tall shoulder to shoulder, connect through your breathing, and focus on steady balance and posture. Stand facing each other, hold hands firmly, and fold forward together while keeping your backs long. Stand side by side and support each other's shoulders while balancing on one leg with open hips. Sit comfortably with your backs touching and synchronize your breathing to create calm and connection. One partner holds bridge pose, while the other gently supports by holding hands or providing stability. Sit facing each other in pigeon pose and fold forward while maintaining a calm, relaxed breath. Stand facing each other, step back slightly, and lean away to create a balanced star-shaped stretch together. You did an amazing job, and I'm proud of you. Let's catch up later in a new yoga episode. Bye!